Let's quickly get to know what ideas we have in our hand for today in this video and how are they work. First of all, I wanted to start from this channel. As you see guys, this channel owns a lot of different ideas those used in one channel and made popularity. The videos in this channel may teach you a lot of useful ideas, and there are a lot of popular and unpopular videos that you can easily make analysis all over them and get to know why some of them succeeded and some of them not succeeded. As you see, I set the videos from the oldest to the new ones order of this channel. From the first video in this channel they made not success immediately, but 7th video made 2.5 million views, and then 2 video after this video also successful video experiment giant crab versus 1000 Mentos versus Coca-Cola made 3.1 million view, and this 2 successful videos are in their first beginning videos 7th and 9th. Okay, let's quickly look others. The 11th video is much more successful. Experiment, Fish vs 1000 Mentos vs Coca-Cola underwater video, made 29 million views and it is a big achievement. Then Experiment, Giant Fish vs 10,000 Mentos vs Coca-Cola video made 2.3 million views. Experiment 50,000, Safety Matches vs Chicken video, made 4.5 million views. Then 15 Crazy Funny Halloween Prank Ideas and Life Hacks video made 2.1 million views, and then next video Lava vs Fish Underwater video made 20 million views. As you know guys, some of them are more attractive, and they made more views than others. If you will make videos, you must get acquainted with these videos one by one and after them record your own video and upload them to YouTube and get success. Then Experiment, Fish vs Mentos and Coca-Cola Sprite, Fanta Pepsi Underground video made 6.1 million views, and then next video Fish vs 1000 Mentos vs Coca-Cola Pepsi Sprite, Fanta Underground made 13 million views, and next video Fish vs 50,000 Safety Matches Chain Reaction Domino Effect made 6.5 million views. Then Lava vs Fish Herring video made 29 million views. Okay, as we know this channel created 2 years ago and made a lot of successful videos. Let's look overall views count in 2 years. They made over 144 million of views in just 2 years, and it means more than $1 million United States dollars for a beginner period of their channel. I think you are getting understand what I want to say to you. Okay, let's start analysis. Next idea. This idea, if you have an ability of making music with some music tools or on PC programs making music talent, then you can make long silent, relaxation music, long way music, sleep music, healing music, peaceful and soft music. I said all these because these videos are using this tags, this kind names for attracting people. You may listen some of them and get to know what I am trying say. This kind of videos are making not so many views, but their watching duration are much more than any other videos. Okay, now let's check some of them. First video on search made 67 million views in 7 years, then next video made 20 million views in 3 years, then third video relaxing music for deep sleep, delta waves, calm background for sleeping meditation, yoga made 56 million views in 6 years. The next video made 7.1 million views and then 7.7 million views in 8 years, and then next video made 3 million views. Then Beautiful Light music video made 35 million views in 8 years, and don't forget guys, they are long videos, mostly more than 1 or 2 hours. Then the Best Relaxing Piano and Flute Music Ever video made 111 million views in 7 years. Then 100-hour countdown video made 9.4 million views in 2 years. Then next video made 13 million views. Then Beautiful Piano Music, Vol 1 Relaxing Music for Studying, Relaxation or Sleeping video made 103 million views in 3 years. Then Relaxing Sleep Music, Deep Sleeping Music, Relaxing Music, Stress Relief, Meditation Music video made 318 million views in 5 years. As I said on previous video, this amount of views are really great, as you know some popular singers are dreaming to get this amount of views. Then next video 71 million views, and next video 103 million views, and next 115 million views, and next 69 million views, then 35 million views, and next 116 million views. Then next video 27 million, and next 76 million, and then 13 million, then 8.9 million of views, then 10 million, then 166 million views, and then 17 million views, and next 103 million, 37 million, 121 million, and 43 million views. Then all video like that, and they are watching enough too. Sorry for interruption. This is our new financial video. Please give us your support by subscribing to our channel, give likes to our videos, and comment your impression and questions. You can make prank videos with your friends that will make a big attraction for viewers, and they will love your channel. You may become a popular prank video maker and an actor without talent. Don't forget that most of the actors are not making success in their career because they don't have enough idea for making money and getting more talented day by day. Okay, let's look what the prank video maker's doing. The first video, flirting with a waitress in front of my girlfriend prank, made 200k views just in 8 hours. Then trans girl sad story made 37k views in 13 hours. The YouTube Shorts prank videos also made a lot of views. Okay, next video, ghost attack prank at night made 1.1 million in 1 month. Then world's scariest pranks video made 316k views in 2 weeks. Then gang attack video made 4.8 million views in 5 years. Next best Big DOS TV pranks of 2021 video made 965k in 3 weeks. Then touching stranger's hand on the escalator prank made 59k views in 12 hours. Next Vanitha prank part 3 made 42k views in 9 hours. Next viral train horn prank 869k views in 1 month. Next food snatching video made 105k views in 1 day. Then Bluetooth call prank video made 22k in 15 hours. Touching hands prank again made 3.5 million views in 2 months. Next cutting people's cigarettes prank made 27 million views. Next scary ghost attack prank video made 939k views in 2 months. Then best pranks of 2021 video made 10 million views in 3 months. Next video, you wanna smash 933k in 3 months. Then pranks of the year 142k views in 13 days. Then Uncle Omegle troll video made 182k in 1 month. Then gold digger prank video made 6.7 million views in 1 year. Next aluminium and big drum prank video made 4 million views in 9 months. Then New Year's new prank video made 844k in 2 weeks. Next funny egg prank made 2.8 million views in 4 weeks. Next blasting embarrassing voicemails video made 864k views in 3 months. Next the best Korean pranks made 9.3 million views in 1 year. Then best of public pranks made 69 million views in 1 year. Then quickly 397k views, 1.8 million views, 1.1 million, 27 million views, 91k views in 5 days. Then she has no idea what's behind her video made 27 million views in 1 year. And so on about prank videos. Okay, let's look at our next YouTubering idea. Then Gags videos, those making big audience as prank videos and very attractive idea for who want to make successful and big profitable channel. First video made crazy massage prank video made 73k in 1 day. Then massive fall at the golf course video made 20k views in 7 hours. 389k views in 1 month. Then 1.1 million views in 1 month. Next chaos in England made 65k views in 1 day. Next paranormal activity made 224k views in 1 day. Then 1.1 million in 1 month. Next 71k in 22 hours. Next 10 million in 10 days. Next 123k in 3 days, and so on. There are a lot of videos those made success every day, every week, every month. Let's watch the Gags channel's overview and the most popular videos and how much views they made. Here are the most popular videos those made 112 million views, 104 million views, 97 million views, 91 million views, 81 million views, 61 million views, 56 million views, 54 million views, 54 million views, 53 million views, 49 million views, 48 million views, 46 million views, 46 million views, and etc. Okay guys, you got acquainted with 4 YouTubering ideas, and I really hope that my videos may help you make big profit from YouTube, and all over the internet money-making opportunities. Only for my hard work I need your support to my channel in return. Because I also want make my YouTube channel as bigger as I can with you guys. Thanks guys for watching. This was our new financial video, and by the way, subscribe to our channel, give likes and comment your impression and questions. Good luck guys.